Hello! Hope everybody is doing well in these very challenging times at the moment. So this week I'm going to show a video about swapping out ready meals to using your naked fruit and vegetables to create delicious dinners. I went vegan 6 years ago before a lot of these items were actually available in the supermarket, so I've always learned to be able to create home cooked ready meals with packaging and limited processed ingredients, because I had to literally learn from scratch because there's no other options. So I haven't really consumed a lot of this, but to be honest, because now there is this availability, there is a temptation there, and my mum does occasionally buy them for me, which I occasionally consume, but I honestly much prefer home cooked delicious dinners. I think especially with everyone being at home at the moment, I think it's a really good opportunity for us all to try and reduce the amount of packaging that we're bringing in and just enjoy cooking from scratch and enjoy the process. Yeah, I think that you guys should definitely check out the videos of the little clips I'm going to insert of me actually making a cauliflower pizza. So they will be packaging free, but taste amazing. guys enjoy the little video of me demonstrating a couple of how you can swap out this to home cooked food. And yeah, see you next week.